Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a fun and easy way to make DIY stylus pen at home just with all the simple things that you have at home so that you can try it out right now. You will need just a pen, maybe one without ink, or a pencil. Now here I'm using a pencil because I feel like it has more grip than a pen, and some cotton. If you don't have a cotton ball, you can also use buds or swabs. Now swabs prove pretty simple and they are like easy to use as tips, and they also provide grips along with pencils, and which is why I'm going to be using this swab. Now this part is going to act as a tip of the pencil, and I'm going to cut just a little bit with a little bit of the plastic portion protruding out because we need to stick it to the tip of the pencil to get the tip that we use to write on our phone. Now it doesn't exactly go inside, but this is how we should tape it. Tape the plastic portion to the tip of the pencil, and the cotton bud should actually act as a tip of our stylus pen that we're making. Now slowly stick the cotton bud onto your pencil with a tape and make sure that the tip is firmly pressed onto the pencil so that it does not move at all while you're writing, because we need the kind of sturdiness, and this, as you can see, does not move. It's really sturdy there. Use how much amount of tape you want, it doesn't matter. And now I'm going to be using this aluminum foil. It's not actually aluminum foil. I got it from a chips packet. I just took a small rectangular or a random piece from a chips packet. Now if you don't find aluminum foil, if you can't find aluminum foil, chips packet or any packet that has aluminum foil wrapping is also pretty handy in this, and which is why I told that you can make a stylus pen out of things just available in your home. Now we're going to wrap the aluminum foil around our pencil. Okay, so now as you can see, I have taped the aluminum foil around the pencil, and this aluminum foil is the part that transfers electricity from our body to the screen. Now, which is why while writing we should touch the aluminum foil part of the pencil, and we also wet the tip just a little bit, not too much, so that the electricity flows from the aluminum, from our hand to the aluminum foil and to the water, because water is. Now we have a phone, and this is how it works. It works so amazingly, and just within 5 minutes, this is a craft that you can try at home with things available near you too. And this is it. It's a really fun way to make your own DIY stylus pens from things that are available in your house, and you can use it to draw things and make your animations look more realistic now. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, comment down what video you want to see next, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you all next week. Bye! To subscribe to my channel, click here, and for my previous video, click here.